Hey, my beautiful curly-haired friends, let's talk about those gorgeous curls. Our hair is unique and special. It deserves all the love and care. Today, we're diving into two amazing styles. Get ready to twist and knot your way to hair happiness. First up, we have twist outs. This is a fantastic hairstyle that not only looks stunning, but also helps to protect your natural curls. Twist outs are perfect for anyone looking to add definition and volume to their hair without using heat. This style is all about defined curls and serious volume. The beauty of twist outs is that they can be as tight or as loose as you want, depending on how you twist your hair. Here's the how to start with damp, conditioned hair. Make sure your hair is well moisturized to prevent frizz and to help the twists hold better. Part your hair into sections. The size of the sections will determine the size of your curls, so choose according to your desired look. Take a section and divide it into 2 strands. You can also use a styling product to help define the curls and add hold. Twist the strands around each other tightly, all the way down. Make sure to twist firmly but not too tight to avoid breakage. Repeat this process all over your head. Consistency is key, so try to make each twist as uniform as possible. Let your hair air dry or use a diffuser. Air drying is gentler on your hair, but a diffuser can speed up the process if you're in a hurry. Once completely dry, unravel the twists gently. Be careful not to cause frizz while unraveling. Fluff with your fingers for maximum volume. This final step adds that extra oomph to your twist out, making your curls look fuller and more defined. Ready for something different? Try Bantu Knots. This traditional African hairstyle is not only stylish but also versatile and protective. Perfect for any occasion, Bantu Knots can be worn as a chic updo or unraveled for beautiful bouncy curls. This style creates gorgeous, springy curls with tons of personality. Start with damp hair. Make sure your hair is clean and conditioned to ensure the best results. You can use a leave-in conditioner or a styling cream to keep your hair moisturized. Part your hair into sections. The size of the sections will determine the size of your Bantu knots and the resulting curls. Smaller sections will give you tighter curls, while larger sections will create looser curls. Take a section and twist it tightly from the root. Be sure to twist in one direction to keep the knot secure. This twisting motion helps to define the curls and adds texture to your hair. Wrap the twisted hair around itself to form a small knot. The tighter you wrap, the more defined your curls will be. Secure the end of the twist by tucking it under the knot or using a small hairpin. Secure the knot against your scalp. Make sure it's snug but not too tight to avoid any discomfort. Repeat this process for each section of your hair. Repeat all over your head. Take your time to ensure each knot is secure and evenly spaced. This will give you a uniform look and consistent curls. Let your hair dry completely. You can air dry or use a diffuser to speed up the process. Make sure your hair is fully dry before unraveling to avoid frizz. Unravel the knots carefully and style as desired. Gently separate the curls with your fingers for added volume. Enjoy your beautiful bouncy curls or rock the knots as a stylish updo. Section 4. Benefits galore. Why you'll love these styles. Why are twist outs and Bantu knots so amazing? These styles are not just visually stunning but also incredibly practical. Let me count the ways. First, they offer versatility. You can wear them to a casual outing or a formal event, say goodbye to frizz and hello to gorgeous defined curls. These styles help in taming unruly hair, giving you a polished look. These styles can last for days, saving you time and effort. Imagine waking up with your hair already looking fabulous. Both techniques help your hair retain moisture, keeping it healthy and hydrated. This means less breakage and more shine. Plus, you'll feel more confident and receive compliments wherever you go. These styles are a game changer for anyone with curly hair. Section 5. Secret weapon. Leave-in conditioner for the win. Want to take your styles to the next level? Use a leave-in conditioner or curl activator. This adds moisture, reduces frizz, and gives your curls amazing definition. Apply it to your hair before twisting or knotting. Section 6. Keep the curl love going. There you have it. 2 amazing styles to rock your natural curls. Remember, loving your hair is a journey. Embrace the twists and turns. Don't forget to subscribe for more curly hair tips and tricks. See you in the next video.